Hi guys, welcome to all of you. I am Rakesh and thank you for watching my channel Smart Classes. Today I am going to start a new chapter which is very important for all of you, that is squares and square root. So first of all I am going to explain about what is squares and what is square roots. So let us start from here. I am giving explanation about that, and that is first of all a square. You have to understand about the square. What is a square? Suppose I am writing here is 4 square. How we can read this? This is can be written as 4 to 4 having a square of 2, that is 4 square, and we can write here 4 into 4. Also 5 to power 2 we can write here as a 5 into 5. So what we are seeing from here, that a square is any number. The square is any number which is product of the number itself. What here I am looking here, suppose here is a 4 and having power 2. So a square of 4, what we have written here, that is 4 into 4. So from definitions you can understand easily that any number of a square is the product of the number itself. So you can write from here, the definition is a square of a number is that number which is product of the number with itself. I think you have understand a square, what is a square. So we are moving away, that is what is perfect square. So I am going to explain about what is perfect square. Suppose I am giving example here, that is 16, and we can write here as a 4 to power 2, and also we can write here as a 25. So we can write here as a 5 to power 2. So what we are looking from here, the perfect square, that is 16 is a perfect square. How it becomes perfect square, that is 4 to power 2. So from here we can define easily any number is perfect square which is the square of any natural numbers. So we can say that here is a 16 is a natural number. Suppose 16 is a natural number, so what is equal? That is equal to the another natural number of a square, that is 4 into 4. So from here we can define perfect number. Perfect number is any natural number which is a square of some natural number. So what we have written here, perfect number. From example you clearly understand that a number that is 16, that is a natural number. A number is 25, that is also a natural number, is said is perfect square when there is a some natural number square. So 4 is also natural number and 5 is also natural number, and their square is a perfect square. So we can understand from here with the example, and here is a given definition, so both you can understand easily. To understand perfect square, I am taking some examples, and some examples are, suppose 196 and here is a 200. 196 को परफेक्ट स्क्वायर कैसे समझेंगे? इसको समझने के लिए सबसे पहले हमको इसका परफेक्ट स्क्वायर निकालने के लिए प्राइम फैक्टर निकालना होगा। सो प्राइम फैक्टर हम लोग जानते हैं कैसे निकालते हैं। सपोज यहाँ 2 ले लेते हैं, 2 9 जा 18 एंड 2 8 जा 16, 2 49 जा 98, 7 जा 49। सो हमारा प्राइम फैक्टर नंबर है 2 into 2, 7 into 7, and we can write this number in a square form also. So what we observe from here, हम लोग देखते हैं क्या कि ये जो नंबर है फैक्टर, जो प्राइम फैक्टर नंबर जो है वो पेयर में है। 2 जो है 2 into 2 also in pair and 7 into 7 is also in pair. So we can say this is a perfect square. 196 is a perfect square and we can write from here perfect square can be expressed as product of pairs of equal factors. Why I am writing this? Because any number is perfect square. अगर कोई नंबर परफेक्ट स्क्वायर है तो उसका जो प्रोडक्ट होना चाहिए वो पेयर में होना चाहिए और इक्वल फैक्टर में होना चाहिए। सो फ्रॉम हियर 196 clearly shows that 2 having pair, that is 2 into 2, and 7 is also in pair, that is 7 into 7. So we can say that 196 is a perfect square. Let us see the other example, that is 200. So from here this number is perfect square is है या नहीं, इसको देखने के लिए हम लोग प्राइम फैक्टर निकालते हैं। और प्राइम फैक्टर के लिए 2 250 जा 100, 2 25 जा 50 and 5 5 जा 25. So prime factor of this number is 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 5. यहाँ पर हम लोग देखते हैं क्या है कि 2 जो है एक पेयर में है और एक अकेला है, that is 2 square into 2 into 5 square. Here 2 number is 2 and 5 both are in pair, but 2 is single. Here it is not in the form of pair. So we cannot say that is 200 is a perfect square. As per definition clearly says that कोई भी नंबर अगर परफेक्ट स्क्वायर है तो वो हमेशा उसका प्रोडक्ट जो है पेयर में होना चाहिए और इक्वल फैक्टर्स होना चाहिए। So I think you understand with the examples clearly. Now we are looking about the number what is perfect square. We have already understand. कुछ और एग्जाम्पल के साथ हम लोग देखते हैं कि अगर वो परफेक्ट स्क्वायर है तो वो नंबर जो है किस नंबर का स्क्वायर है, इसको कैसे हम लोग पता लगाएंगे। सपोज एक एग्जांपल लेते हैं 764। इस एग्जांपल से हम लोग समझेंगे कि ये परफेक्ट स्क्वायर है कि नहीं, और अगर परफेक्ट स्क्वायर है तो इसका स्क्वायर नंबर क्या है। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल इसका हम लोग प्राइम फैक्टर निकालेंगे। प्राइम फैक्टर 2 2 8 जा 16, 2 8 जा 16 to 2 जा 4, 2 4 4 1, and from here we can take as is 3 3 1 ja 3, 3 4 ja 12, and 3 7 ja 21, 3 3 4 ja 12, 3 9 ja and 7 7 ja. So from prime factor here is number 2 into 2, 3 into 3 into 7 into 7. So all the number are in pair. We can write here 2 to power 2, 3 to power 2 and 7 to power 2. 2 square, 3 square and 7 square are all product each other and having in pair. So we can say that 1764 is a perfect square number. लेकिन हमको यहाँ से जानना है कि ये 1764 किस नंबर का स्क्वायर है। So we can write here as a 2 into 3 into 7, or we can write as a square form. So this is the square form we can write here. So 3 to just 6 and 6 7 just 42. 42 square is having the number that is 1764. So from here we can understand ये जो नंबर 1764 है उसका 42 का स्क्वायर है. So from here we can understand what is perfect square, and अगर perfect square है तो वो किस नंबर का स्क्वायर है. हम लोग कुछ एग्जांपल्स और लेते हैं और उसको क्लियरली समझेंगे कि परफेक्ट स्क्वायर नंबर कैसे निकालते हैं और उसका स्क्वायर किस नंबर का है. इसको जानने के लिए हम यहाँ पर दो एग्जांपल्स लिए हैं. तो फर्स्ट एग्जांपल इज गिवन 2601. सबसे पहले इसका प्राइम फैक्टर निकालते हैं, एंड प्राइम फैक्टर निकालने के लिए हम लोग 3 से इसको स्टार्ट करते हैं. 3 8 जा 24 and 3 6 जा 18 and 3 7 जा 21. Once again 3 2 जा 6, 3 8 जा 24 and 3 9 जा 27. So 289, and we take here from the number that is 17. 17 ja that is 289. So prime factor of this number is 3 into 3 into 17 into 17. So what we observe, यहाँ से हम लोग देखते हैं कि 3 factors pair में है and 17th factor is also in pair. So we can say that this 2601 number is a perfect square. अगर ये परफेक्ट स्क्वायर है तो ये किस नंबर का परफेक्ट स्क्वायर है, इसको जानने के लिए हम लोग ऐसे लिखते हैं 3 into 17 और इस पर स्क्वायर, दैट इज 51 स्क्वायर. सो 2601 का अगर कोई नंबर है वो किस नंबर का है, वो नंबर है 51. 51 का स्क्वायर करेंगे तो वो नंबर 2601 आएगा. सो इस तरह से हम लोग जान जाते हैं, पता लग जाता है कि कैसे हम लोग परफेक्ट स्क्वायर निकालते हैं. Here is another example that is 7056. So इसका प्राइम फैक्टर निकालेंगे 2 35 28 and once again 2 that is 17 64 and from 2 that is 2 8 ja 16 2 8 ja 16 and that is 2 2 ja 4 and once again 4 4 1, and we can take from here that is 7 7 6 ja 42 and 7 3 ja 21, 7 9 7 ja 63 and 3 3 ja. So this is the prime factor of this number. We can write here as a 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 and 7 multiplied 2 times and 3 is also multiplied 2 times. So we can write this number in 2 square into 7 square and 3 square. So this is a perfect square number because each and every factor is in the form of pair of products. So we can say 7056 is a perfect square number, and the number is, we are going to find the number that is 2 into 2 into 7 into 3. We can write this in this form. So this number is 2 2 ja 4 7, that is 7 3 ja 21 42 and this is 84. So 7056 किस नंबर का स्क्वायर है, वो 84 नंबर का स्क्वायर है. So from here we can get the number 84 is a square of 7056. So guys, that is the end of today's video, and we are coming in next video with more solution regarding x square and square roots. So अगर आपको मेरा चैनल अच्छा लगता है, मेरा वीडियो पसंद आता है, तो आप ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब करें। और अगर कोई क्वेरी है तो आप कमेंट कर सकते हैं। और प्लीज़ शेयर एंड लाइक माय वीडियो। थैंक यू। हैव ए नाइस डे।